Hello guys, if you like my awesome gaming videos, my programming and web development courses, my editing courses and editing videos, and my tech talks and tech guidance, then you can consider subscribing to my channel and click on this bell icon to stay connected with me all the time. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we're going to work with the linear search algorithm, which is the worst algorithm for searching, but this is very important to understand. So these two parts, this linear search and binary search, these two videos will be really important for algorithm cases. If you don't understand it, it would be a huge problem for you. So this is very important and the main basic of searching algorithm. So I hope you'll understand it very easily. Basically what it does, you will have an array element 10, 15, 30, all of them. This is the index number 0, then index number 1 and 2. If we want to find this 30 value, you have to go to index number 0 first and check if it is equals to 30. Then it is not, then you have to go to 15 and check if it is equals to 30 and not, and then again you have to go. So you have to look over every single element in the array. So that's why the linear search is the worst, because you have to search everything. So that's why the binary search comes, where the binary search is much better. But in this video, it's just all about the linear search, how we can implement it into our JavaScript. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so here we need to make linear search, and we need to use array syntax here, and here I'm going to pass array and our target value. So this is the value we want to find in this array. So here simply we need to use a simple for loop. For I is equals to 0, I less than array.length. Array is actually the array that will pass in this function, and I plus plus. And here you're going to return, here you have to check if target value that we want to find is equals to the value we have given, which is array of I. So it will loop over. First it will go to the array index of 0, and array index of 0 is actually the 10. Then it will go 20, then go to 30, 40 and 50. Suppose you want to find 40, then it should go to first 10 index, then 20 and 30 and 40. So it should be found inside 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 40 should be inside the index number 3. So it will just do that. This line is actually for that. So if it is true, you have to return I. This is the index, we find the value. Okay, so this is the thing that we have to use, and let me check it. Node linear, as you can see, this is the value we find in the 0 index. So 10 is actually the 0. So let me find the 50 here and give the 50, and it should be inside index number 4. As you can see, this I gives us the index number, but if you just write it array of I, if you return that value and save it, as you can see, we get the actual value because we are inside the array index number 1, which will give you the value. But if you just write simple I, it will give you the position got the target value at. Okay, so 50 is at index number 4, so it will give you the index number 4. Okay, let me do this. As you can see, so very simple, just one for loop and check inside if the target value is equals to the value of a current index. Okay, and if it found, just return all the values of the index. Linear search is the worst of all the searching algorithm normally, because the average case is order of n. You have to loop over every single element in the array, and worst case is also order of n. That's why it is the worst. In that case, the binary search help you, because it is the much better log n, because you have to divide everything by 2. In the next video, we're going to understand about the binary search as well, and the best case is order of n for both of the cases. For linear search also, for the best case is actually order of 1. It means that you find the value at index number 0. When you find the value at index number 0, which is 10, then you don't need to do any other calculation, just return that value at the first index. So in the first index, if you find the value that you want, then the best case would be order of 1. Otherwise, the average case is very bad, order of n, and the worst case is also order of n, because if you want to find the 50, first you have to go 10, then 20, 30, 40 and 50, and finally we have this. So it should be order of n, number of the elements in the array. So these are all about the linear search algorithm inside JavaScript programming. Okay.